If you notice that your channel engagement has drastically reduced and maybe even the impression has also reduced, there is every possibility that your channel has been shadow banned. Thing here is that shadow banning affects the channel no matter how you try to view it. Sometimes shadow banning can be as a result of your own mistakes. Other times it's not really your mistake, it's not really your fault, but an external fault. Whichever the case, there is always a way to fix shadow banning. So hey my loves, what's up and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the major causes of shadow banning, why you probably got shadow banned, and how to fix it. And the earlier you fix your shadow banning, the better for you and your channel. If you're new here, do subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Do say subscribed. Okay, so now let's get into it. If your channel was actually reported by people, let's say you made a poll that didn't really go down well with people, maybe out of anger or whatever, they'll go and start reporting your channel. And the moment they start reporting your channel, YouTube automatically marks your channel red and places under surveillance. Your views, your impression, every single thing starts going down because they won't be showing most of your videos. And this thing is mainly common with people who do reaction channels. Maybe you're reacting to a particular thing, maybe to a YouTuber, and maybe the YouTuber's fans came across that your video and didn't like what you said about their favorite YouTuber. They will report your channel, or maybe if it's about politics, maybe a particular hate speech, it will make people who didn't like that particular video to go and start reporting your video to YouTube. And one thing is YouTube won't even ask you if it's true or not. The moment people start reporting your channel gets shadow banned. To avoid this case, be mindful of the kind of words you use here on YouTube. I'm not saying you should be scared, but be very cautious of the things you put out there for public consumption. Another thing that can cause your channel to be shadow banned is if there are so many copyright claims to your YouTube channel. Almost all your videos have copyright claims attached to it. It might make YouTube to put your channel under surveillance. So avoid copyrighted materials. Another thing that will cause your channel to be shadow banned is because you got a copyright strike. Copyright claim is different from copyright strike. You might get a copyright claim and it's not really going to make your video to get taken down. But once you get a copyright strike on your channel, that video that brought the strike automatically gets taken down by YouTube, and all the views, all the watch hours, and all the likes and all the comments that came in that particular video will disappear. I think the worst of all these causes is even the copyright strike because of the way everything just disappears from your channel. And the thing here is that the copyright strike even lasts for 30 days, sorry, 90 days. So just know that the next 3 months YouTube won't be recommending your videos like it's used to. And sometimes it might even recommend your videos to the wrong people, the wrong audience, people that don't need that particular content. So it's just going to affect your YouTube channel. And then another thing that can cause shadow banning is if you're putting out someone's content. Stay away from people's content. Don't post. Especially these reaction channels, leave videos alone. Just focus on pictures, images. They will help your life better on. There are sometimes channels that even get demonetized the result of this issue. Maybe a channel that was once monetized, people will start reporting the channel, and when people start reporting the channel, there is every possibility that YouTube will go and shadow ban the particular channel. And once the shadow banned, channel stops earning at that particular moment. And I bet you shadow banning is not something anybody wants to experience, whether as a new YouTuber or a small YouTuber or a big YouTuber or just you're starting content creation. Nobody wants to experience shadow banning in any aspect. Sometimes shadow banning can resolve on their own. Other times it takes your own input to get it resolved. Other times you just have to wait it out. So in a case where it's something you have to wait out, just like a copyright strike, you can't do anything. Just wait for 90 days to elapse. If it has to do with maybe going against YouTube community guidelines, make sure that in your next videos you don't make those same mistakes. And it would be nice if you just maybe stay a while, maybe like a week or two. Just try not to post for that first week or second week you're seeing the channel has been shadow banned. And then in your next video, try and be very careful in the kind of content you put out there. Now, sometimes your channel doesn't even have a specific region, and you have to attach a region, a country of residence through your YouTube settings. That is another way to even fix the one for the location.
In my previous video, I made a step-by-step guide on how to check if your YouTube channel has been shadow banned. So it would be nice of you to check out that particular video to ensure that you are on the right track.
Peradventure, you go through this thing and you notice that it's showing that your channel has been shadow banned or your channel is under surveillance. Find the particular thing that is causing that particular issue. From that thing you're going to be seeing there, it will guide you on the right thing to do and the right steps you should take to lift the shadow banning from your YouTube channel. So YouTube can start showing your videos to more people. And again, it's not all time your video gets low views or impression rates that automatically means that you have been shadow banned. Sometimes it can be your own fault. Maybe certain things you're not doing right on your channel or something you're not supposed to do you actually did. But if you're able to check these things I just said you should check and you're not seeing anything that looks like your channel is under surveillance, then your YouTube channel is not shadow banned. The other way you can actually find out the cause of these things and how to fix them. So in case your channel is not shadow banned, other things might be responsible for your reduced engagement rates. Now you have to check out a particular video on your screen and even in the description box. It will take you to a particular video where I listed some things that will affect your video views, your engagement rates, and your comment rates, and even your impressions. Okay,